Good morning, everybody. I am on location today and got kind of a neat shoot going on. If you can see, I'm at this kind of urban location that I drive by all the time. It's super cool. But we are doing some smoke bombs. Again, I don't know if you guys have ever done these. I've never really worked with these, but we got a model come in. We're going to set off some smoke bombs. We're going to have a little bit of fun. I'm not sure how this video is going to go. Right through that opening right there is what I want to shoot through. I've got a vision in my head how we're going to do this, but this video may go a little bit differently than most of my videos because I don't really have it planned out. I'm going to do my best to make it kind of exciting, and hopefully the smoke will work out. I've got 3 smoke bombs we're going to set off. I've got permission from the fire department to say it's okay to do it. They go off for about 60 to 90 seconds, so that's going to kind of limit what we can do, but hopefully we will get something cool. We'll do some things without the smoke so that we definitely walk away with something neat. And somewhere around here is my son. My son Aiden is coming to help me today. Talked him into helping me. He's up on top. Yeah. Wave at everybody, Aiden, Michael. There he is. Okay, so I got my son helping me today. Let's go for it. Okay, so let me show you how we got this set up. There's the opening I want to be shooting from. I'm not sure how well it's going to work because even my son standing in there, you can see him. He's very small in that opening, but let me show you the setup. So there's the camera. Looking back towards there, I've got that at 80 millimeter. I've got it almost as long as I can go. Exposing for the front wall here, just the sunlight hitting it. And then I've got a softbox that's gonna light her up. And then I've got one light here in the back, kind of as a back lit kind of thing. And I'll have to adjust these once she gets here, I'm sure. And then we're gonna stand probably right in this area and shoot the smoke bombs to go up over that opening. And we'll have this nice little, hopefully smoke billowing out from that opening as she's in there nicely lit. We'll see. Okay. I'm not sure I love the pose. Smoke, hopefully, and that's the hope. So that light is lighting up your face. This one is kind of lighting up your hair. It's going to light up the smoke as well. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay, here we go. Shift your weight to that hip on this side. There you go. Good. Okay, perfect. There you go. Okay. All right, Aiden, whenever you're ready, bub. Keep it low if you can, son. Chin that way just a tiny bit. Yeah, go ahead and run through to the other side. And now run back. Run back. eyes at me. Chin this, head this way, chin that way. And eyes at me. Good. Big, almost profile this way. Good, beautiful, good. Oh, that was good. Okay, so the smoke thing was interesting. We had a hard time controlling where it was going, and it's not super windy today, but there is a little bit of a breeze, and obviously it didn't take much wind to kind of blow it around. Until I get back to the studio and get these on the computer, I'm not exactly sure what I got, but I think we might have gotten a handful of good smoke shots and good poses and expressions that something ought to work. I'm going to take a few more shots of the model. I'm going to take a few more without the smoke just for her benefit, and get back to the studio and see what we got. Okay, here we go. Once again, you know, every time the flash goes off, new pose. Okay, I'm back in the studio. I've had a chance to cool off a little bit. It's starting to get hot here in the south, as you can see. I'm a little red today. I got a little bit of sun out there, which is totally fine. Got to start working on the tan. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not exactly sure where this video is going to take off. I've done this much differently than I normally do. But the shoot went well. I am in the process of downloading all the images, and we'll go through them and pick the best. And I just want to say a little bit about the shoot. I think it went pretty well. The smoke, I've never really worked with it the way we worked with it today, and I only had 3 of them to set off. I had an orange, a red, and a white. My initial take on it is you've got to get the shot set up. You've got to get everything perfect the way you want it. Make sure the exposure, the lighting, everything is right, and then set off the smoke and take as many shots as you can. But that smoke gets thick and cloudy very quickly. And it wasn't even a very windy day today, but we had some problems with the wind because it was blowing the wrong direction. And it was just a very small breeze today. So if you had a lot of wind, I think it'd be very difficult to use. And looking back on it, I think in order to get the look I was initially seeing in my mind, I probably needed to set off 2 or 3 at the same time and get this big billowy initial smoke, get the shot, and then let it dissipate. But it's hard to control, which, you know, I guess that makes sense. So we just banged off as many as I could while the smoke was going off, and I was yelling at my son to, you know, move here or move there, and we did the best we could with the 3 smoke bombs that we had. You know, and I don't know, trial and error, I guess. But it was a lot of fun. The model seemed to be happy with what we did. She had never really done any modeling before, so she was kind of new to the whole thing. But she was good for a first-timer. And I think we got a bunch of neat photographs out of it. So I think what I'm going to do is just show a bunch of them straight out of the camera. And then I'm going to switch over and show you a handful of them, however many I edit. It may be only 3 or 4, I don't know. But I'll show you the straight out of the camera, then I'll show you the ones I edited, and we'll kind of end the video like that. But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for looking at the photos here at the end. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you would. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I thank you guys, as always, for watching, and I will see you in the next video very soon.